Madam, mind the water. My Akara, it's all ruined. Watch where you're sitting. This is a road. Please help me. This is all I have.
Mama, I'm coming back to Nigeria tomorrow.
My son, after all these years.
Yes, Mama. And I'm coming with the woman I want to marry.
God has finally remembered me.
I missed you so much.
I've been waiting for your return every day.
I'm finally back home.
And today is going to be special.
Today is special. I'm taking you home to meet my mother.
I've waited so long for this moment.
My mother means everything to me.
I promise you will love me.
This is the woman I want to marry.
You too. Yes, my daughter. We meet again.
Wait, you both know each other?
I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't know.
I never look down on poor
Mother
people,
sells
my daughter.
Akara with dignity. Money does not make someone better than others. I cannot marry an arrogant woman because she's
Please
respectful.
forgive me. I was proud and disrespectful.
Mama, you still accepted her after everything.
Promise me you respect poor people and elders from
Everybody
today.
makes mistakes in life.
Mama, forgiveness brings peace, my son. But promise me you will never look down on poor people again.